In front of me is Nokia 2720 Flip, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then. Now select personalization and go to date and time right here. And here you can pick auto sync or you can switch it off, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Let me just go back. You can also change the time zone right here. Just select the current one, and here from the following list you can pick the one that you would like to apply. And that's it. So as you can see, this can smoothly, quickly and easily change both date and time in your device and also time zone. And then if you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just pick auto sync and click on OK to apply it. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.